Hey guys, so today's video is going to be talking about spark plugs and like trying to diagnose what's wrong with your engine, causing the spark plug to foul, or what could be wrong with the spark plug, causing it not to spark properly and causing issues with the engine running smoothly. One of the symptoms, like when you run into a lot of like weed eaters and even lawnmowers and stuff, and this video also applies to vehicles as well, is if you start like a weed eater and it runs alright like at idle, and you try to give it gas and it starts misfiring and or just don't want to throttle up right, take a look at that spark plug first, because the small engines are really dependent on that spark probably more than other vehicles. What I mean is they're more apt to cause an issue if you got a slightly weak spark, because it's just more noticeable because of the lower compression and stuff. So this is a brand new spark plug. Everybody knows what a new spark plug is supposed to look like. You see the insulator is perfectly white inside. There's nothing blocking the gap or anything. This one here, the insulator started becoming more yellow. That's just a symptom of either running too lean or just running a little bit hot. But still, even with that, this spark plug still probably provide a good spark, so it's not an immediate concern. This one here is more like what you'd expect a used spark plug to look like. You see there's still no wear on the electrode, but you can see how the insulator is just slightly discolored. There's nothing major wrong with this. This is an off-brand Torch brand plug. Now you see with this one, this is what a spark plug will start looking like if it's running way too rich, or if your choke is stuck on, you'll start to see carbon building up. And a lot of times this type of carbon will just wipe off, especially if it's fresh out of the engine. If your spark plug looks like this, it's probably just a carburetor adjustment more than likely. It's causing the spark plug to foul out. And you should be able to, in a case like this, take a little bit of carburetor cleaner, spray it real good, and take a wire brush. See, it already looks better. Spray it off again to get any residual dirt off of it. It's almost as good as a new spark plug. Now, you're not always going to be able to just clean one and get it to come back like that, especially if your plug's completely discolored. This looks like it came out of an engine that was probably burning oil. The whole spark plug is completely black like this. It's usually a sign of that. A lot of times you pull a plug out, it'll have like an oily residue on it, and it's a pretty good sign that your engine's burning oil. Or say you're using like a fuel additive, it's oil based, like a Marvel Mystery Oil or something like that, and you get too much of it in the gas, it can cause it to carbon up as well. You can try to clean it if you're getting a weak spark. If your spark should be like a bluish purple color, if you get any yellow or like reddish color spark, try another spark plug. Even if it still does it after cleaning the spark plug. And if it still does it with a new plug, you probably got a weak coil or some other ignition problem. Here's another example. This one's a little bit dirty just from sitting in the garage here. Just carboned up. Looks like it came out of an oil burner. Then again, it could be just from running too rich, will also cause that. I'd almost say this one was just running too rich, as this one was probably an oil burner. See how it's like shiny this one looks compared to how flat this one is? That's usually a sign that there's oil coming into the combustion chamber. Then a more rare problem you'll end up in, especially on 2 cycles where you're burning oil in the gas. And also, if you're working on a 2 cycle, if it's coming out like this, it means you probably got too much oil in your gas, or it's just running too rich. Any 2 cycle spark plug is going to have some carbon buildup on it, but in theory it should look more like something like this, or even like this, but without the chunks of carbon blocking everything. So if you see here on this one, there's actual pieces of carbon that's coming in between the gap there. Yeah, you can see it like completely blocking it. So if you see that, that's carbon fouled, and it's not going to allow a good spark, because the carbon's going to act like a resistor and just absorb the electric charge. So it's not going to spark, it's just going to act like a load against it instead of an actual air gap. So you may be able to clean it and get it to come back. you'll just have to try it. But if you get a condition like that and you have a new spark plug on hand, just throw a new plug in it. Make sure your gap's right. Most small engine spark plugs are gapped at 30 thousandths. Most vehicles are like 60 to 80 thousandths. You just have to refer to your manual. A lot of vehicles, not so much newer vehicles, but a lot of older vehicles actually have the spark plug gap on the like where your radiator is in the front of the, when you open the hood. You'll have basic information like that on there. But yeah, if you got an engine that's been running good for a long time, then all of a sudden it starts acting up, always check that spark plug first. You never know. It could be the most simplest thing, but then again, if it is starting to foul, you know, your engine could be burning some oil and maybe getting close to needing a rebuild, or start using like a thicker oil in it. Or if it might just be a carburetor adjustment. If you're seeing some black smoke and stuff while it's running, or when you throttle up or it gets under a load, you might have to adjust that carburetor in a little bit. Make sure your air filter is good and clean, that kind of thing. Because a dirty air filter will act like the choke's on. So if you pull one out and it's all like carboned up, and it's like sooty, you can just wipe it back off and it looks more like this or something. More than likely just a carburetor adjustment or something blocking the air intake made it act like the choke's on. And also make sure your choke's not stuck on. You never know, it could be partially blocked or something. I hope this helps you identify what's causing your spark plug to foul out and give you an idea of when you need to clean or replace your spark plug. Now, in a lot of vehicles, it's getting 100 to 150,000 miles on it that haven't had the spark plugs changed. The electrode will start eroding away, and it will cause a misfire because of that. Or you start getting cracks in the insulator. Also, another thing to look for is anytime I don't think any of these have it. Usually see it more in vehicles, like when you pull your wire off of it, you can see like where it's been arcing, like between here. That's usually a sign that your plug wire may not be good anymore, and it's not getting a good seal on there, and it's causing it to arc through there, arc past it. Or there could be a crack in the porcelain here that you may not even be able to see it, and it's causing like a slight arc to come out. It's like an orangish yellowish color you'll see around the end. I don't have a spark plug on hand that has that going on, but that's always something to look for. Mainly on vehicle engines I've ran into on that, but occasionally on Walmart engines as well. Just something to look out for. But I hope this video has helped you identify what's causing your spark plug to go bad, or when you need to clean or just replace a spark plug. When in doubt, throw a new plug in it. Just to rule that out. It's something simple, and it might just be something like a carburetor adjustment or something like that, or just an older engine that's using oil causing the plug to foul out. So, alright guys, I've been asked about this in a few other videos and thought I'd just throw up a video. I ain't really had time this week to work on anything. I just thought I'd make a quick little video for you. It might help somebody identify a spark problem on their engine. So, hope this video helps you. Questions or comments, leave a comment below and I'll try to get back to you. I haven't been very good at answering comments lately because I've just been so busy. I just haven't had the time to do it, and hope you understand that. But I'll try to get back to the more recent videos as soon as possible. So, yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I'll catch you in the next video.